Hello, everybody. So, as always, the buy digital strategy is fully explained in the course and the link of this video. You can purchase the course from buydigital.com, learn the strategy, learn all the basics from the course, practice and practice and practice. Yeah, hopefully you will start making some profits. Yeah, for those who can't afford buying the course, I know there's a lot of people that can't afford buying our buy digital strategy course. Guys, we can't give everybody the course for free. It's just impossible. So yeah, I figured out to make this little game for you, just to encourage you to work a little bit, to try to understand what I'm doing here. So for we will choose one winner each week, and we will give him the book or the course for free. This time we will play with the course. Yeah, we will choose only one winner each week. We will give him the course for free, and the game is simple. Guess or count how many candles appeared in this video, and just tell us in the comments how many candles appeared in this video, or how many candlesticks. Just count all the candles that will appear in this video. Tell us in the comments. We will hide the comments so nobody will cheat, and at the end of the week we will tell you the winner of this simple game, just to help you guys. For those who can't afford buying the course, we want to help you, and yeah, we want everybody to learn the strategy. We encourage you to buy the strategy, of course, for those who have or can afford the course, afford the price. And for those who can't afford it, play this game, count how many candles appeared in this video, and tell us in the comments, or just send us a message in our Facebook page, and we will choose one winner each week. Okay, I will stop the vocals, keep the video going, keep going with the video, count the candles, and tell us in the comments. Good luck for you guys.